Most people get this wrong when they try to figure out Lyft earnings in 2026. They either believe the hype of high hourly pay, or they assume it is not worth it at all. But here's the truth no one tells you. Lyft income is not a fixed number. It changes based on time, location, and how you drive. Quick promise! In the next few minutes, you will learn the real 2026 earnings for Lyft drivers, what affects your pay the most, and how full-time and part-time drivers actually make their money. This matters because most new drivers quit too early just because they don't understand how the system works. Let's start with the real numbers. In 2026, most Lyft drivers in the US are earning between $15 to $28 per hour before expenses. After gas, maintenance, and depreciation, the real take-home usually drops to around $10 to $20 per hour. Now this is where most people get confused. Some drivers make more than $30 per hour during peak hours, while others struggle to hit 12. So what's the difference? It comes down to three things. First is location. A driver like Jake in Los Angeles or New York will usually earn more than someone in a small town because of higher demand and more surge pricing. Second is timing. This is where it gets interesting. Driving during rush hours, weekends, and late nights can increase earnings by 20 to 50%. Third is strategy. Drivers who position themselves near airports, event venues, and busy downtown areas get more consistent rides. But here's the problem. Many new drivers just go online randomly and expect good orders to appear. That rarely works. The drivers who treat it like a strategy game always earn more. Let's break it down with a simple example. Imagine Alex drives 6 hours a day in Chicago during peak times. He might make around $140 to $160 in a shift. Meanwhile, John drives the same hours in a quiet suburb during off-peak times and makes around $80 to $100. Same app, same effort, completely different results. Now here's where it gets interesting. Bonuses and incentives in 2026 are also a big factor. Lyft often offers streak bonuses or guaranteed earnings for completing a set number of rides. Smart drivers stack these bonuses on top of peak hour driving to boost income. So is Lyft worth it in 2026? The answer depends on how you approach it. For flexible side income, yes, it can work well. For full-time income, it only works if you drive strategically and control your hours carefully. Key takeaways. Lyft pays roughly $15 to $28 per hour before costs. Your real earnings depend heavily on timing, location, and strategy. Peak hours and bonuses can significantly increase income. Random driving usually leads to low pay. If you want more real driver breakdowns and honest gig economy reviews, like the video, leave a comment with your city, and subscribe for more updates. You'll stay ahead of the apps instead of guessing your way through them.